Let's do a few problems about linear equation in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus c. So the first problem is find an equation of a straight line whose y-intercept is 0, -3 and slope is -2. So as we all know that in y equals to mx plus c, this m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. So here by the question, the slope is m equals to -2 and y-intercept is -3. So if we plug in these two quantities in this equation, then our equation becomes y equals to -2x minus 3. So that's the equation for this condition. Another problem is find an equation of a straight line passing through the point -1, 2 and slope is 2. Again the same thing, okay? Y equals to mx plus c. Let's suppose this is the required equation of the line. Then we already know m equals to 2. That's a slope, right? Slope is 2. Then our equation of the line becomes y equals to 2x plus c. Okay? So this is the required equation of the line. And we know that this line should pass through -1, 2. Okay? So let us plug in this value in this equation, where -1 is the x value and 2 is the y value. Let's plug in there. So that would be 2 is y, so this is 2 equals 2 times 2 is the slope, x is -1 plus c. Okay, now let us find the value of c. Okay, so this is 2 equals, this is 2 times -1 is -2 plus c. Now if we add +2 on both sides, then this will get removed, okay, and it will isolate c, so that we will get the value of c. So let us add 2 on both sides. This will be 4 and this will go out, cancel out, and so c equals to 4. Thus our equation would be y equals to 2x plus 4. So that would be the equation. Another problem is find an equation of the straight line which passes through 2 points, -1, 2 and 5, 3. So here we need to use the same equation, but we also need to figure out the slope and y-intercept of this line which passes through both of these 2 points. So first let us find out the slope of this equation. Okay? Slope is simply m equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay? This point is x1, y1 and this point is x2, y2. So you can clearly see how we will be getting the slope of this line. So y2 is 3, y1 is 2. 3 minus 2. x2 is 5, minus comes from the formula, and x1 is -1. We will be getting m equals to 3 minus 2 is 1, 5 minus -1, that's 6. So 1/6 is the slope of this straight line. Y equals to 1/6 of x plus c. Okay? If you plug in this value in this equation, y equals mx plus c, then we will be getting this equation, y equals to 1/6 x plus c. So here this equation star passes through both of these 2 points. So you can plug in any one of these 2 points. So let us plug in 5 and 3 in this equation. 5 is the x value and 3 is the y value. So y is 3 equals 1/6 times x is 5 plus c. Okay, so that's it. Now then you can clearly say this would be 3 equals 5/6, and if you solve them, that means you subtract 5/6 from both sides, then you will be getting c equals to 3 minus 5/6, which is simply 6, 3, 18 minus 5, that's 6. So therefore c equals to 18 minus 5 is simply 13/6. So therefore our equation would be y equals to 1/6 of x plus 13/6. So that is the required equation of a straight line which passes through these 2 points.